Mary, my next patient is here, Mr. Silva. He came in with a headache.
Okay, is he ready?
Yes, but he has a list, a long list.
A list?
Yes, he searched his symptoms online. He thinks he has 5 different diseases.
Oh no, not again.
He told me he has a brain tumor, a rare infection, and low blood pressure.
All at the same time?
Yes, and he wants tests for all of them.
What did you tell him?
I told him to sit down. Then I checked his blood pressure, his temperature, and his eyes.
And?
He is fine. He is just stressed and tired from work.
So, no brain tumor.
No tumor, no infection, just too many hours in front of a screen.
And too many hours on Google.
Exactly. I told him to rest, drink water, and stop searching his symptoms online.
Did he agree?
He said, but the website said,
Oh, John.
I know. I said, Mr. Silva, I am your doctor, not the internet.
Good answer.
He laughed. Then he went home to rest.
That is the best medicine.
For him and for me.